Hi Harry, today we are going to draw a bird with a graphical presentations. That's why we're using the strong lines and no shades, and this is a different style of drawing. Let's start here from top. Okay, I'm using the marker here. You can see that. So drawing the head on top. This is the eye connecting here. Few lines. Okay. For the wings, we have a little extensions on both sides. Okay. And the extensions we can draw right to the end of the bottom place here. Another on the other side like a mirror of the previous one. Okay. So you can see the basic shapes here. This is the head and I'm drawing to this part. Alright. From the middle we can draw a curved line like this and end up here, and like a mirror another curved line and end up here. Okay, then something like the shield we draw here. You saw it in the antivirus logo or the icons in some cases, and graphics designs like this. All right, from the middle point you can see the tail extensions here graphically. Let's make it bold dark. Another tail extension this side. Another extension you can see here. All right. Let's draw a separate line and coming up to this point here. Another line is coming up here and coming to the end. Let's connect it to this point, and this point we also connect. Okay, so you can see the wings on both sides. We have to connect it up to this point. So let's draw a curve like this, end up here. Also other side we're doing the same like a mirror, and the symmetric outlines for this curve we're drawing another line. Okay, and also this side we're going to draw the same way as we have drawn previously. The thing is, this is the basic outlines, but if you want to make it more interesting you can put the different types of colors. That's going to make the bird a nice one. Let's put the colors. The children and kids, they like the colorful things. That's why the drawing also needs the color combinations. I'm also putting it here. So for the body part I'm putting the same color tones. Now you can also see the changes. The birds is already looking nice. Mhm. For the top portion, let's put a red color. You can see the red colors. All right. Now we're putting the dark red color here, but in a very light shade. We're trying to make it as light as possible. Mhm. So that side is done. We're putting the colors to the other sides here. All right, so this is looking interesting right now. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel, put the bell icons on for the more updates. You can also browse through our playlist to have lots of categories of drawings. You can select your own choices. Thank you so much. Have a good day.